Hello friends, day 29 and I have just passed World's End. I found it. I failed last time I looked about 3 years ago when I was in Llangollen, but they seem to have put some new signs in and I found it today. So I am recording this just beyond World's End. Sadly there is absolutely no phone signal, so you won't get this till tomorrow, but I've had a good day. I started off coming up through the forest after the campsite and it was buzzing, literally. Lots of little insects, not bothering me, but they were buzzing around and it sounded almost like there were thousands of drones buzzing around overhead. Anyway, that was nice, and then came on to the Llangollen canal, which was lovely, brought back some memories, and had the most bizarre telephone conference call that I've ever had with a barrister and his assistant from a field just above Llangollen. And then I've walked on from there and I'm just about ready to camp. A bit late in the day, but the sun is still just about lighting the sky. So I haven't put my tent up yet, but this is where it will go. And as you can see, the middle of nowhere, or even World's End. Right, let's have a look at where I've been today. A good view of Chirk Castle right in the distance. My afternoon snack was a cheese and onion toastie, and this is Chirk Aqueduct in the distance, and then it was on to the Pont Cysylltu.